Ho, ho, ho! Santa Man?
Max Van, the little elf.
I gotta confess, we're a little bit late here, right? This is the week 3. This is the last Santa Van Superbike Christmas suit giveaway gig. We were supposed to have this winner announced after Christmas, and we really failed to do that. It's his fault.
It's your fault.
It's your fault.
Ordering some new suits.
Your fault. Okay, so the winner gets to choose from one of the 3 suits we have here on the table. I've looked it all up. I know who it is. I even have an idea of what bike he's riding. The last couple orders he had were for Suzuki 1000 parts, like a 1718 GSX-R 1000. So there's a possibility that he may not want one of these Yamaha rider suits.
Hopefully, man.
Well, I know you hope so, because this is a Jake Lewis rookie year Yosh Superbike suit, and I gotta tell you, if you're a Gixxer rider, man, that's pretty badass. But still, he has the option, if he prefers, to go with a crash Garrett Gerloff suit that's actually autographed.
And my baby right here, brand new, actually brand new Cameron Beaubier suit. When he was in Super Sport.
When he was in Super Sport. So, the winner is Jose A. out in California. We're gonna send you an email. We're going to send you a link to this video and say, hey, you need to watch this, man. What are you willing to do? Let's say Jose actually does have his heart set on this one. What are you willing to do for Jose if he lets you keep it and takes one of the other 2?
Pay for an Uber, drive out, cut his lawn.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a big Uber.
Yeah.
He's in California.
Yeah.
Okay. I love that. You're going to have to Uber on a Greyhound bus.
Yeah.
It's a long way.
And with your money.
Wait, no. It's your
Yeah.
money. It's your money. So there you have it. Our winner is Jose A. all the way out in California. Check your email, my man, because the notification is coming. You have the opportunity to choose one of these suits. Enjoy that GSX-R 1000. That's a great motorcycle. I know I love mine. I'm sure you love yours too. We appreciate all your business. We're sorry that we're a little bit late. We had a couple of big projects that popped up here that kind of pushed this to the side, but we got to it. We're late. We're sorry. And thank you, everybody, for a great 2018.